Hi friends, this is Lokesh again. Welcome to my channel Headhonk. Have you guys ever tried to make a sketch or a drawing like this and always not satisfied with the outcome? It happens with me always. Until this day I was not aware about the tool that can simplify it and that can use artificial intelligence into the sketches and doodles that we create. Yep, that's possible. We will use www.autodraw.com website to achieve our goals. Let's jump into the video and see how we can use autodraw.com to enhance our sketches or doodles. Head to the website autodraw.com, and once the website is open, you will see something like this. Here you will get two buttons. The first button is to start your drawing and the second button is a short and fast tutorial about how to use this website. Let's click into start drawing. The moment you click start drawing, you will be presented with this page. This is a short and sweet page, and here on the left hand side you will see a lot of tools that you can use in your drawing. The first one I would like you guys to see is the autodraw tool here. Once this is selected, you can start making your drawings. Let me try to make a flower. And if you didn't notice yet, you will see the moment you will start drawing, the artificial intelligence will try to sense what you are trying to draw and it will present you with a number of options. So right here, I was trying to draw a flower, and this is what the artificial intelligence had detected and presented to me. If I wish, I can use any of the following. I just need to click and it will change. I can click on this and my picture will change. If you want, we can change your color from here. So let's say that I want this color, and now if I click here, my drawing will be presented in this color. The next tool is the draw tool. Once this is selected, you can draw freehand and the artificial intelligence will not suggest you any option. You can draw whatever you want. Using this cursor, you can change the thickness of your drawing. For example, this is how big you can go, or you can go this big as well. Anytime you feel like you don't like your drawing, you can just click on this undo button to get back to your starting point. Or if you want to start it all over, just click here and you can select any of these three to start over. The next tool that you get is the type tool. You can just start typing anything. You can highlight the text, you can change the font, whatever you want. You can change the size of the font from here. Or you can increase the size. By highlighting the selection tool, you can move the text around this area. If you want, you can zoom in. Slide your mouse or your mouse pad to zoom in and zoom out. The next tool that you get is a fill tool. You can select any color and just click on your text, and this will change the color of your text. Then you also have shapes. So once you click on the shape tool, you will get these shapes over here. You can draw a triangle. With the shape tools highlighted, you can select a square or a circle. Isn't it awesome? Next, you can also go here and you can download this. The file will be downloaded as a PNG file, and this is how my drawing looks like. If you want, you can also share it. You can share it on Twitter, Google+, or just copy the link and you can share the link with anyone. The next button here is shortcuts. Here you can see all the shortcuts that you can use. And friends, that is all about this sweet and simple website that helps us create nice sketches, drawing or doodles for our project, our website, or our YouTube thumbnails, Twitter thumbnails, anything. So I hope you like this video. If you feel that the information provided in this video is worth, I would request you to please consider subscribing my channel. I thank you all for your time. Have a great day ahead.